outra. Porque ao princípio sai muito forte. Esta está muito forte ainda.
Pá, não vou concordar consigo, não acho forte, acho...
But if you got something...
All right, I'll handle it. David.
License plate that says Da Vinci over the side.
Of course, yes.
I know that Leonardo would have approached it with a big sense of humor. I know that he would have loved the competition. He would have loved the fun of getting together to do this. We do have a winner, and...
Za četvrtog iz ove grupe.
Njegov blagi i fini rođak Grekos jogurt ovo leto provesti na trpezama širom zemlje. Šifra kad biram.
Grekos sir i jogurt. Mlekara Subotica. Godinama.
Canesten pomaže uklanjanju različitih tipova gljivica atletskog stopala, ublažavajući nelagodne simptome. Potražite Canesten kod svog farmaceuta.
There's the game room. I like a fun atmosphere. That was our problem last year. You were like, gotta get rid of the fun. So how's the fun factor working for you with girls?
It's good.
What am I doing here then? Why am I here?
I'm here for you to find me true love.
Find you true love.
Believe it or not, one of my main goals in life is raising a family. At some point, I do have to get married in order to have kids.
You get rid of this pole when you get married? What's a kid?
I don't want to have to get rid of my life. I find plenty of girls who accept the lifestyle. My problem is a woman who's got a real good job and who's organized. They're a good person. They would make a good mother.
That's a...
Oh, here he comes. Get a quick picture. Sure. Oh.
And he lost. I was a really good wrestler in college. I think I can do this.
Do what?
Lose.
You cannot do this.
Marty, look, we only have until the end of... Between what I make there and what you make with your private lessons, we'll save the music program in 18 years. This is the best chance you got.
Okay. Okay, if you're going
the sky. Dying to tango with their mysterious Cape Cod. Rock and roll! Let's
Next, in with my coconut. Add 4 nice tablespoons. That will give a nice body and a really nice texture to the chutney. Cook that coconut out, and now add the carrot.
Sljedeće igračice, kao šesti nosilac pobedila Andreju Hlavačkovu u 2 seta, pa Moon Barter isto ubedljivo, pa Venus Williams, njen najteži meč, 3 seta, pa pobeda protiv Shuai Peng za Hlavove Štricove i na kraju pobeda.
Europe and Japan and the States to make handbags. So many of them are being killed. They're obviously at risk. It's very humid.
That is something bubbling.
Wow, that looks fantastic.
The whole of this region is on a major fault line and has the most active volcanoes anywhere in the world. Eruptions are frequent, albeit rarely as violent as the infamous Krakatoa. But even on this small island, there are some ominous evidences of all that subterranean activity.
I'm going to take off my clothes.
You devil.
I'm going to go
I'm going to take
butt
mine off
naked.
as well.
Up
Are
with
you?
trunks.
Oh my god, it's weird. Look at that.
Oh, it is warm. Oh. Whoa. That's fantastic.
You actually can't get
Oh,
down.
you can feel it sort of pulling all around you. Oh, that's so amazing.
Oh, it's great.
You also feel slightly like one of those Pompeii figures caught in the, you know, in an attitude of, here comes a volcano.
Actually, it's like being weightless.
It's really,
Isn't it? Like being an
It's so
astronaut.
strange.
Can you swim?
No, if I do a one-legged side, that's